Falls State Park. This is the safer view area. Bake your skin hot. Yeah, it's like being in an oven. And it's not even as hot as it's supposed to get. 103 on Tuesday. But there are, well, someone just went that way. And then there are people up that way. There is a warning sign that there were 4 recent deaths. And so we're not the death-risking type, so we're not going to do it. But I hope you can see the rainbow there. It's just constantly there and so beautiful. This is Washington State's, and I love the green around the waterfall. Washington State's National Waterfall. This was chosen to be Washington State's National Waterfall. There's the 360. The last 2 miles were like washboard, ridiculous washboard, but this is really beautiful. That's it.